exterminate this! Now the chase is on. Uh-oh. Ow! I need a doctor.
Alert! Alert! The doctor is located! Exterminate! Exterminate! The doctor is escaping!
Who are you? And what are you doing on Skaro? Hello, I'm the doctor. You called? The doctor? The Daleks keep telling about you. Yeah, they do much. Now, what's your name? Lieutenant David, Foul Security Force. Do you say foul? Yeah, you heard about my race, don't you? Yes, I heard anything about your race. What, long time ago, when I first met on Skaro. That was a long time before the Daleks known. So, how's going on the war, huh? We've been at war with the Daleks for centuries. We're trying to move to one planet and the other planet, but they keep following us. So we went back to Skaro. This is our home. I think we should go. Do you have someone with you? Some commands who look after you? No, the Daleks destroy all my men. I'm the last survivor. Okay, I think you should come to my ship. Come on. Where are we going? To my ship. It's called the TARDIS. Come, I'll show you. What is this, a box? Not kinda any police box. Come on, I'll show you. Oh my god. Yeah, go on. Let me just say something. So, this is where you travel in time and space? Yes, I do. It's called the TARDIS. It's time, one dimension in space. I can travel anywhere in the past, present, and future. Yes. And we'd have to say that a lot of time. So, Doctor, can this thing save my people? Sorry, it can't. It's very complicated for you. It's time, dimensional. Now then, let's see. What are you doing, Doctor? Trying to find out what are the Dalek sources, where they're located, why they attacked you. Right. Okay. Sit there and... Oh. That's not good. Yeah, that's very not good. Where is the doctor? Did you found it? I know where they are. Where the Dalek source located is. It's in the city. The city of the Daleks. You've been there? Yes, I have. The city of the Daleks is the most biggest city where the Daleks' home is. I've been there once when I saved you. And then I've been there second time when Davros when he first created the Daleks. I try to stop that, but I can't even change time and stop where the Daleks created. It's against the laws of time. I'm sorry, David, but I'm really sorry. But we can't go to the city of the Daleks. But you have to go to Skaro. My people are dying, Doctor. I can't let them die. I'm sorry, but wait a minute. There's only one question. Why is your face with your mask? Why you got a mask over? What happened to your face? When the Daleks invade Earth, Skaro, my family were killed in a fire. The Daleks exterminated the whole house. I tried to save them, but my face was burned. Oh, I'm sorry. So that's where you war with them, because you want revenge for the Daleks. Because you want to revenge what they did to your family. If you don't take me to Skaro, Doctor, I'll force you to... Okay, listen to me. I can't go to Skaro. I can't even destroy the Daleks. I'm not a murderer. If you want to stop the Daleks, Doctor, I can help you. So you will take me to Skaro. Now! I shouldn't have brought you in. I had the chance. Alright. I'll take you to the City of the Daleks, if you want. Right then. Let's go. It's gonna be bumpy landing. Where are we? Are we here? Yeah, I think we are. Appears we're in the city. Well, I don't know where we are. Let's check the scanner. Appears there's nothing out there. This is some kind of metal. Probably in the storage room where the Daleks created. Right. Come on, let's go outside. Oh, I don't point the gun at me. I'm not some kind of porter. Okay? Not some kind of a survivor. Just put the gun down. Okay? Good. Now, let's go. Wait. Here we are. Doctor. Ian, yes. Welcome to Skaro, the original planet of the Daleks. It's big. But of course it is. Now, let's have a look at this round, shall we? So here it is. The city of the Daleks. It's big. Yeah, I know. Look at the state of it. They'll probably go build it maybe soon. The last time I saw the city of the Daleks, when the Daleks were fled. And now Calum's reborn. Oh, yeah, I'm still not coming here for holidays. Yeah. You know, you can't go outside. The atmosphere is full of squeeze out there, and it will never stop raining. Come on. We're going to find out what the Dalek source is. Whatever that takes. Okay, so there's a door there. That's probably the elevator. What happens when I do this? Right, let's go. So, where are we off to, Doctor? Don't know. I need to find out where the Dalek source is. Aha! It appears it's underground somewhere. It's like I'm in my mind. There's 100 Daleks down there. Wonderful. What are they doing underground somehow? What are they planning? Right. This is it.
Halt!
Hello.
Who are you?
Oh, come on. Do you know who I am? You don't, do you? You can't even remember me. You can't like remember me. I am the Doctor.
Doctor Who?
Never work.
Doctor You are the Doctor.
What?
You are the enemy of the Daleks. You must be exterminated.
No, wait. Not yet. What are you doing down here, huh? What are you doing down underneath Skaro?
You will come with me
Where?
to the laboratory. You will wait here.
Huh. Sounds like he doesn't like us. It's dark in here. Do they really have to put some lights on? Oh, hello. Look, I'm sorry, I know who you are. You're a Dalek, I know. I come to help. I'm the Doctor.
Hello, Doctor. I have been expecting you. Nice to see you again.
No. That's impossible. I knew you'd know me after all these years. Doctor? Who is that guy?
I am Davros, Lord and Creator of the Dalek race.
But it can't be. But you were destroyed on the Crucible. You died there. I could have saved you there.
But you didn't, Doctor. I had managed to escape from the Crucible when it was destroyed. Emergency temporal shift, you might say.
And you must have transported right over this place, I might say. So, Davros, what do you want now?
I want what you want, Doctor. To be rid of the Dalek.
Why you want to destroy the Daleks? Your own creations. After all these years of standing by them.
Doctor, the Daleks have turned against me time and time again. In order to perfect the Daleks, I must first of all get rid of the imperfect Dalek.
Ah, you want to destroy the internal Daleks. The ones that in colour. Your Daleks created them, and now they want is fear for you.
Yes, those in total Daleks. My Daleks cannot destroy them. They are unstoppable. I cannot destroy them. I only have 12 Daleks. But I I need your help.
You got a funny way to say please, Davros.
And you have a very funny way of saying thank you for your cooperation, Davros, with the destruction of the Daleks. But I realize that I cannot completely destroy the Daleks. They always find a way of surviving. But I can imprison them so they can never, ever escape. They are poisoning my world, Doctor. Skaro is a desolate wasteland compared to the great cities and skyscrapers it was several thousand years ago. All because of the Daleks. All because of my own creation.
You're killing my people out there. You're the ones who attacked me when I was killed by all these men. You burned me and my family. Leave it, David. Davros is mine. Don't worry, I will help you to the revenge. So, Davros, what is your really big plan to destroy your imperfect Daleks?
My big plan, Doctor, is to trap the Daleks within the time vortex. But I cannot know how to operate the time vortex to release it next to Skaro. But I realize I should need your help because you have the equipment. You have the knowledge of a Time Lord. It is not necessary for your impossible abilities. So, Doctor, will you help me?
Alright, Davros. I'll help you. Just this once. What is really your big plan with your imperfect Daleks? You just want to scale away when Skaro will be present in the time vortex? What is really your big plan, huh?
I have a teleport, Doctor. I can rebuild the Daleks somewhere else. And when we next meet after this, I shall be ready to kill you! But I will at least give you a chance next time. After all, you are making a deal with the devil.
Okay then. I'll help you. But I need some equipment back from my TARDIS. But you let me and David go. Just no sneaky capturing, whatever. I do my best, Davros.
Of course, Doctor. You can. Just this once. Trust me.
I only wish I could, Davros. All the death and destruction you cause. Maybe this is your adventure.
Oh, and Doctor, there's a transmitter for you. Once you get the bomb fixed, we will contact each other. But do not be alarmed, Doctor. If you ever trying to be alarmed, I will be exterminating you. Good luck, Doctor.
Okay then. Thank you. Come on, David, let's go.
Shall I escort them? No. Let them live. I trust the Doctor more than I want. Now, come on. We have a lot to do today.
Come on. Now then. Probably found some junk here. Ah, here they are. This will help me out to fix a bomb. I always keep junk around here. Jamie and Zoe always hide things. This is my handy. Doctor, you know what you're doing, but I thought you and I could go destroy the Daleks, not you and me. You're not you and me and Davros. But I just wonder, you can't trust him. I don't trust him, David. I don't even trust him. All the death and destruction he caused. But he first created the Daleks. So will you kill him? I'm not a murderer, David. Now, let's see. Aha! Gotcha! There, that's quite useful. Now, I need something. This might take a while. Right, this might take a while. Just stay there. Now then, let's get to work. Right. Hammer. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Fire potato. Fire potato. David, can you pass me the fire potato? Where's that? It's in somewhere in the box. Find it. There you go. Thanks. Okay, now next, Sonic. Aha. Now we done it. Now this, David, will bring the Daleks into the time vortex. But it's lame and limited. Unless I can...
But I need somewhere I can replace the bomb somewhere. And where's that? That probably there's a pre-cancel chamber. We should. Well, I don't know how we're supposed to peek it. Maybe I can. Right. Ha ha! Now I can see.
What is it, Doctor? What have you found?
I found where the Supreme Council chamber is, where we can place this bomb. There. Let's see. There's nothing in it. There's no files. I need a laptop. 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 Do you know laptops? No, that's not in the box. Probably in the drawing room. I'll go find it. Now then, here we go. I always go to laptops. I got this laptop from the Wi-Fi aliens. Clara, yeah, he keeps this laptop. Okay. Aha. That's the Supreme Council chamber, alright. And right over there, there's the Emperor. He is massive. Quick observation, no? You can see the time instead of right now. Now, the Emperor Dalek is the only way I can put the bomb right over the core. Right. Let's do this. Davros?
Yes, Doctor.
I fixed the bomb, and I'm going to the place in the Supreme Council chamber.
Good, Doctor. Why are we waiting for the moment?
I promise you, Davros, I will not fail you. Right. Let's go. Right. Are you gonna leave that stuff over there? Yeah. I'll tidy up before I come back. No. Let's go to meet the Daleks. Let's go.
Halt! Ah. Hello. Doctor, are these the Supreme Daleks? Yes. A long time I've never seen them. And what happened to you, Dalek Supreme? Do you want lusty colour? Silence! You will be taken to the Dalek Emperor. Ah. Stroke of luck. Just the dictator want to see. Speak to yourself. You will come with us. By all means. Lead on. You recognize me then? At the same time? What are you doing in Skaro? I brought him here because you killed my people. All my foul people. Just don't spoil it, David. I brought him here because he wants revenge with you. You're killing all these people in the files. You have any idea you want to be war with them? Daleks will be the masters of Skaro and the universe. Oh, well, good. Well, apparently, because you want me dead, because I'm your enemy, why brought us around here, huh? Why want me alive? Where is Davros? Oh, you know he was here. How? We pick up his transport on Skaro. You know where he is. Because I won't tell you. You know I will tell you, Dalek Emperor. Because you're going right over my right hand. There's a bomb. It would take you all to into the time vortex. If I not refuse you to use it. So, and I'm not telling you everything. You'll cancel the war, let go of the fouls, and you will stop the war. The war will be over. If you don't stop, I will deactivate that bomb and destroy every last Dalek of you.
Do you think a bomb can stop us, Doctor? I don't think so. You are angry, Doctor. This is amuse me.
I'm glad you're amused. Well, that's save you, Dalek. Exterminate. David, hold tight. Davros, Doctor, you have arrived at last. I got the bomb you wanted. Good. Give it to me. Excellent. The bomb is mine now. Well, you've got your bomb now. You can destroy the Daleks now. Do you really think I should take the Daleks, destroy the Skaro? Yes, because I know what you're doing. It's not your plan to destroy the Daleks with the bomb and to take the Skaro. There's something you want, don't you? What is really a big plan, Davros, huh? For your imperfect Daleks? You want to know my plan, Doctor? So here. My plan is not to use the Time Vortex bomb to destroy the Daleks. My plan is to use the bomb to bring my Daleks within the Medusa Cascade. There were many back in the Medusa Cascade. I need them here so I can use an army to destroy the Daleks, and I shall destroy the universe! You're killing my people over there. But I'll never let you destroy my people using that bomb. Then I'll take it from you. David! Stop! Ah! You really think you can stop me, Doctor? I'm Davros! I am the supreme being of the universe, and you will bow down before me!
Davros! What is it now? We have a report these internal Daleks are on their way. What? You let them right to me. Hold them and exterminate them. I obey. This is all your fault, Doctor.
No matter, Davros.
Do you really think you become a Dalek, Doctor? You will suffer for every difficulty you can cause me! Where is Davros? Davros is no need of any panicking. You must be exterminated. You are eternal Daleks. Davros is the enemy of the Daleks. He must be exterminated and taken to stand trial. I will not tell you where Davros is. If you do not tell us, we will exterminate you. I will not tell you. Then you will be exterminated. Exterminate, exterminate, exterminate. Alert, alert, renegade Daleks detected. Exterminate, exterminate. What is happening? I must deactivate the bomb. No. Davros. How did you find me?
I set them here, Davros. Because I just the bomb I explanted it was a transmitter. Well, oops, sorry, Davros.
Davros, you will be taken to the Dalek Emperor, so you will stand trial for crimes against the Daleks.
Just take him. Just do whatever you like. I'll never see him again.
You will come with us? No! Take him! He's a sworn enemy of the Daleks. He is the Doctor!
Doctor? No, I'm not the Doctor.
Scanning. Scan complete. This is not the Doctor. Of course he is. Are you blind? He's regenerated.
Ah, yes, I forgot to tell you, Davros. When I was upstairs with the Dalek Emperor, I have just expanded her memories transmitters when I was escaped. So the Daleks don't know who I am. Wiped all their memories off. They forget who I am.
The Doctor will be hired prisoner. He will be stay here. You will come with us, or you will be exterminated. You haven't heard the last of me, Doctor. I shall return.
And I shall be waiting. David, are you okay? I'm alright, Doctor. My legs are merged. Good. Now, I need to disarm the bomb. Oh, damn! The bomb. It can't deactivate. Davros was holding the communication switch. I had to turn the bomb on. I destroy the Daleks. See the only way I could stop the bomb exploding. That's what you said. I know what I said. I'm not a murderer. But the Daleks always live. They always find a way. How positive disarm it? I will do it. David, no. You can't. You can't. I can't, Doctor. My people are dying. I can't let them die. I'm sorry, but I'm not giving that bomb. I can't let you destroy the bomb and sacrifice yourself. I can't let you. I have to, Doctor. My people are dying out there. So please, give me the bomb. Okay. Here. Take it. Doctor, one thing. Yes? Tell my people I always serve them all I have. Thank you, David. Good luck.
Davros, you will be stand trial for crimes against the Daleks. No! Alert, alert, someone is activating a bomb in the underground. Then get down there and exterminate them. Drone 1, get down in underground and see who's under where the bomb is. I obey. Halt, you will be exterminated.
Here, tell you what, Dalek. Exterminate.
One. What is happening? Explain, explain. No, I will not die. I am Davros.
Hi, Callum.
So how are you, Callum? How's the new screwdriver I just give you?
Oh yes. I went to football, and then also I used the screwdriver to use the ball there easily, and to make sure that the screwdriver does anything, and the ball I kick it, and also it burned the man's face off. But he's alright.
Yeah. Besides, the sonic screwdriver doesn't do anything. Always will just do open doors, open lifts, and open kettle boil. So tell me, Callum. So you text me here, do you?
But doctor, I didn't give you a text. I was very busy. I didn't give you a text. Only most of the Tuesdays. And besides, I didn't text you.
So who gave me that text? I don't know. Come on, let's go. Right then, what's on the news? Breaking news in the Tower of London. 2 days ago, a man who robbed the bank in the Tower of London, known as James Moriarty, has been a crime scene for 6 months. We believe that Moriarty is to blame the Tower of London, and he's taken into the police headquarters. Sherlock Holmes is living this case right now, and that's all the news. Thank you. That person looks familiar. You want to know why, Callum?
Sherlock Holmes?
No, I mean the other guy.
Yeah, it's Moriarty.
That is not Moriarty, Callum.
Then who is he then?
It's the Master. The Master is Moriarty.